They got it put together pretty good. Yeah, you could smell it. It's some kind of a glue. And we did do some damage to the case, so hopefully we can make it worth our while here. There we go. It's an epoxy of some sort. Let's see if we can't. There we go. She's open. All right, so we'll have to take this guy off. Now this is where you got to be super careful, my understanding, with this stuff. And I'll put some gloves on here before we peel this all the way open, just because of metal components. I'm wearing a wedding ring here, because I could just take that off. There we go. Don't tell my wife. So we'll do piece of tape, very shallow. There we go. So there's our BMS and our cells. So a very small little pack of cells here. You got chunk of foam on one side, another chunk of foam, but this one feels stuck. Looks like it's glued to the cardboard here. Okay, so the BMS is down here on the side, so they've got something here on the lugs. Looks like they're possibly welded down. QR code reading.